Today I'm going to be using this K&K thermal brush. I'm actually going to be unboxing it, showing you its unique features. I'm going to go through settings, what it looks like, what it feels like, and I'm actually going to style my hair. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. All right, so I went ahead and took it out of the box. This is a white thermal brush. I actually really like this color. It looks very cool. I like the soft bristles. Take a look. It has like some soft bristles, and then it also has like thicker ones right here. They do go up and down. They move. Looks like it has a power option. I don't see any additional buttons around it. Just seems to be this one right here in the front. K&K, it does have a swivel cord, so you don't have to worry about it getting stuck. So it does swivel. Another thing that's included is a little glove. So this is a heat protecting glove just to prevent you from burning your hand as you're doing your hair. And then another thing that it also has that I thought was pretty cool, it has this little rake looking brush. So this is really nice to go ahead and clean off and take away any of the hairs that get pulled as you're doing your hair. So I thought that was really cool. Keep your thermal brush nice and clean. So let's go ahead and get this plugged up and see how it works. All right, so I went ahead and plugged it in. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Very nice. It does let us know that it is on and off. Seems to me that there is only one heat option. So we're going to go ahead and let that heat up, and then we'll come back and use it. It's actually already starting to produce heat. All right, so it just beeps. So that lets us know that it is ready to use. It is producing heat. So let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so I went ahead and let my hair down. We're going to go ahead and style my hair. As you can see, this is just air dry, no style, nothing. So we're going to be using this K&K thermal brush to help style my hair. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair. I do like to start from the back and work my way to the front. I do start at the bottom. So I do want to work with a small section. So take a look. This is my hair. I've already put heat protectant on it. You just want to brush it through your hair. As you can see, very nice bouncy volume hair. So let's go ahead and continue the look. So I went ahead and put on the heat protecting glove just to show you that that is an option if you like, so that prevents you from burning your hair, especially if you're working close to the thermal brush. So you can see I get close to it, I'm able to touch it, and my hand is not going to burn as I have this on here. So it's very nice. I do like that my hair does not get tangled up on the brush. Since it does have so many bristles, it brushes through my whole hair. So one thing that was unique to me was that it didn't have different heat options. It's just one solid heat, but it actually heats up very well. Take a look, super nice brush through the hair. Look at that. All right, so I'm getting towards the front of the hair, so you'll be able to definitely see the difference in the thermal brush. So I'm going to go ahead and brush through this front part. Look at the difference between the volume on this side and this side. I have not done yet. It's very flat, kind of lifeless. And the side that I ran the thermal brush on, so nice, voluminous, and shiny. All right, so take a look. I'll leave my before, and this is the after. And overall, if you're looking for a good thermal brush, great quality, great price, I would definitely recommend. I love that it has so many bristles. It did not pull my hair. It's nice, styled, volume. Very nice, super easy to use. Like I said, it was only one button to turn on to go ahead and start heating up. Once you're done using, simply push down and turn it off, and you are all set, ready to go. So overall, if you're looking for a good thermal brush, I would definitely recommend the K&K thermal brush.